Welcome to the DIY Physics Experiments. In this seminar workshop, we will be introducing DIY science activities. A laboratory activity is an integral part of learning science concepts. These activities play a critical role in the students' active participation in the learning process. It has been known that when students are actively engaged in learning, doing the actual observations, performing experiments, working collaboratively with peers, manipulating actual variables and conditions, making graphs and tables, learners easily grasp the concept in a deeper level and are able to interpret results in a meaningful manner. In addition, this learning is retained for a longer period. In a way, having a laboratory activity is a good method that helps connect theory into practical applications and develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills among students. With the onset of the pandemic, educators have moved into the virtual mode of instruction, and creating remote laboratory activity for students have become a challenge. Most have resorted to the ready-made datasets, which lacks the essence of a laboratory activity. However, most people nowadays have smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. These devices are proven to be powerful educational tools. It is important that educators learn to tap into these resources in designing laboratory activities that are safe, easy to set up, and can be done both at home and at school with minimal supervision. With the technology becoming more and more advanced, our smartphones are now equipped with sensors capable of quantifying several data. These sensors, such as the proximity sensor shown, brings learning outside the laboratory and into your fingertips. Other sensors that makes up a smartphone device are the accelerometer, magnetometer, gyroscope, light sensor, pressure, humidity sensor, microphone, GPS location, and Bluetooth. In this webinar workshop, we will be introducing mobile phone applications such as FilSciHub and Physics Toolbox. These apps allows the use of these sensors in a smartphone to measure, record, and analyze data that are suitable for science laboratory activities. The laboratory activities in the seminar are focused to two topics in physics. The first group of activities are related to mechanics. And the second set of experiments is about the properties of light, such as the inverse square law, reflection, transmission, and absorption. For the mechanics experiment, the FilSciHub mobile phone app will be used, while the physics toolbox will be demonstrated in the light properties activities. These mobile apps can be downloaded free on your smartphones through Google Play for Android users or through the App Store for iOS users. Or you can use the following QR codes that could direct you to these apps.